unfortunately, mga good po drone ang things spawn yun sa jellyfish. April to July is the spawning period sa jellyfish. And it's very hard to predict. Isang ba good pagtag na yun, no? Kung naabay daga nga jellyfish. In fact, ako na same site 2 weeks ago. The important thing lang yun is how to manage after stinging. Number one, let's not be tamo gamit of fresh water. Because in doing so, muhugas na hugasan na ito salt water. Number one, of course, is to remove the tentacles. Very important, ang tangon yun ang tentacles. Hindi na nato malikayan nga na mabiling na stingers. Kung mugamit man gutag fresh water, mas ma-activate ang stingers. So, mas musamot siya ubag, mas musamot siya release of chemicals nga makakos of inflammation or allergy, no, quote-unquote, sa mga mastingan. So, number one is to ensure na matangtang ang entire tentacles, and number two, to wash with vinegar is the most ideal. No?
Ay, ganda, hihit mo na.
Actually, dili din siya advisable ang ihi. Kaya, take note, that's a break in the skin. And so, you're opening yung osa, and then ihi is not so clean. Even if it's fresh, even if it's warm, you can siya limpyo, no? And actually, bacteria. So, there's a chance nga magka-secondary bacterial infection. Compared sa vinegar, na mas clean siya. And of course, vinegar is an acid. So, there's a chance nga napon siya antibacterial. Some level of antibacterial activity. And then, take note to keep the area clean. No? After ni mo na wash, to keep the area clean. The sting will last for quite some time, several days. So, pwede tamo take antihistamine. Pwede tamo take antihistamine. Pwede sa tang mo take pain reliever sa katong dili yun maagwanta. But most importantly, kung dili yun ma-bear ang discomfort, seek medical consult na yun. Dili pwede ang alcohol, Sir Eric, especially during the early stages of the sting, kanang fresh pa din siya. Again, because any harmful chemical can activate the sting. So, avoid manipulating the area. More manipulation can actually activate the stingers. So, naunahin yung mura mo natunog anak, napailagan nga mabilin anak sa panit, especially with box jellyfish, katong mga more severe types of stings. So, avoid frequent manipulation yun ani nga lugar. Again, seek consult kung di na good source outside buhaton. Thank you, Dr. George.